I'm here with a new video. Her Hair Imports. I ordered a package deal, 16, 18, and 20. Now, I don't like the way this hair feels. It feels kind of rough. I'm not digging it. Especially at the tips. So when you first get it, it's not going to look like the lengths because it's so curly. Which I don't mind. So the curl pattern will drop eventually, you know. But I just don't like the texture. Some parts feel rough and then other parts feel soft. So I don't know if it's just over processing or what's the fact of the matter is with the hair. That's my main thing. I ordered a package deal 16, 18, 20. It's called Studio Bundles Body Wave. And then I bought an extra 20 inches separate. So that was like $51. And an extra 20 is just to give me a little bit of length because I want to do a partial and still have extra hair left over in case I want to go back and like do a bang or something. So I ordered the extra. But I did get a discount. It was $15 off. And then I had free shipping. So the hair did come within 3 days. I just got it last night. So that was cool and I like that. So that was a 2+ so far. The discount and the shipping. Plus, big plus on my end. But as far as the price was great too. But the way the hair feels, I'm not impressed. And usually I always spend about $300 on my hair. And I'm definitely trying to find a company that, you know, the hair is a little bit more soft and it doesn't shed and it doesn't tangle. So if anybody know any, let me know so I can do a video on it so I can help a lot of people out here trying to save money. And I think I'm gonna do this video on this hair in about probably 2 weeks, so look out for it. Definitely look out for it. So that's it for now, guys. I'm trying to think, did I forget anything? Oh, it came in this pack. Just a regular bag. And these are the little bags that came in each bundle. So it was nothing special. And that's about it. So I'll hit you guys up later. I'll put all the info in the bottom, in the comments. Well, in the detail section. So I can, you know, in case you do want to try this hair later on, you can always go to the link. And I'll holler at you guys in about 2 weeks. See you later.